Alright, what's up guys? So if you follow the Instagram, because I've been doing shitty on YouTube with uploading, you would see that I blew the fucking KA up, ran it too rich, and broke the pistons, washed out the whole bottom end, scored everything, so that's sick. So it's been sitting for a while. As you can see, but I pulled it out because I picked up what's supposedly a running rebuilt KA. And it has a turbo setup on it, but it doesn't have like the outlet flange, intercooler piping, the math, and it's got a tuned ECU. So right now I'm gonna take my stock ECU that I have, pull that shit off, weld the NA exhaust back up, and try and run it. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, after like 18 hours later, me and Samuel got it so far dropped in almost where right now he's tightening up the bell housing bolts. Get the turbo kit pulled off because we're going to run it NA like I said. I think I said that. For now until we get the rest of the parts. So we'll show you guys more of us. Alright guys, it's all buttoned up and not buttoned up. Right now we're buttoning
hot wiring harness.
The wiring harness. And so we'll see how that goes. Everything is buttoned up, but we're running into an issue where the fuel pump's not turning on. So yeah, that's that. But I'm gonna mess with it in the morning. This is all just rigged up and everything. There's no radiator. I want to make sure the motor actually turns over and starts before I put everything back on it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll update you in the morning. Alright, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the last clips, me and Samuel were dropping the motor in. That motor turned out to be shot in 2 cylinders. Cylinder 2 and 3 had cracked piston ringlands. So I pulled the motor right back out. My buddy Owen came over, we did a full rebuild bottom to top. Had a bunch of troubles with it, couldn't get it time. My buddy Anthony came over, as you know. And as you can hear, it's running, so we're doing the break-in process, and I'll show you right now. As you can just tell, all the way up there, I blew my diff out where it's cruising doing 40, 50 miles an hour, and the whole thing fucking locked up. So I gotta go get the truck and trailer now. Alright guys, we picked the trailer up. I gotta get that piece of shit on here. Thought about just like staying at home and leaving Samuel with the car and telling him to figure out a way how to get it back. So alright guys, well we got the 240 all unloaded and shit. It was a great experience getting on the trailer. It was really fucked. Almost got hit by a fucking like 18 cars and a semi.
A couple semis.
Yeah.
Dump trucks.
And I got it unloaded, got the unloaded at the house. So we'll do it for this one. Next one I might film putting the diff in and see if the trans is blown. I really hope the trans isn't blown, but we'll find out. So yeah, I hope you like this shitty video. On to the next.